Good day, dear children. Today we have a new lesson. The theme of our lesson is using the first conditional and subordinate clauses. Grade 7, Unit 8, Healthy Habits. The learning objectives for our lesson are following. Understand with little support some of the implied meaning in extent talk on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Develop and sustain a consistent agreement when speaking or writing. Use feedback to set personal learning objectives. Assessment criteria. Accept teachers' advice and feedback based on the learning objectives. Apply correctly the first conditional and subordinate clauses in the sentences. Look at this slide, please. Conditional sentences type 1. Условные предложения первого типа, first conditional, считается самым простым типом условных предложений. Действие, которое передает этот тип условных предложений, относится к настоящему или будущему времени. Это реальное действие, оно может произойти в будущем, если будет выполнено условие. Условные предложения всегда состоят из двух частей. Clauses. Первое. Условная часть if clause, в которой стоит слово if, если, и приводится условие, при котором возможно действие следствия. Второе. Следствие или результат, зависящий от условия. Эту часть называют основной частью main clause. Watch the video, please.
If you throw a ball in the air, it falls back down. If you pour water onto a fire, it gets put out. These are sentences that are called conditional sentences. These particular sentences are zero conditionals. Let's look at another type of conditional sentence. First conditionals. First conditionals are used to explain about conditions that have a real possibility of happening in the future. It's not 100% sure, but there is a big chance that it will happen. Let's look at an example. If I study hard, I'll pass the test. Is there a chance for me to pass the test if I study hard? Yes. Can this happen? Yes. Does it mean my passing is 100% guaranteed? No. But the test is a very likely thing that can happen. And that is a first conditional sentence. It has the structure of if plus present tense clause, will present tense clause. Now for another example. So, you just woke up and looking outside the window, you see grey clouds. You say to yourself, if it rains, I'll go back to sleep. Or you can also say, I will go back to sleep if it rains. Is this situation possible? Yes. Will this situation happen 100%? No. So that's pretty much what a first conditional is. It's to talk about things that have a high chance of happening. Now, you try and make a first conditional sentence in the comment section below, and we'll see if you're correct.
Slide. You can see some sentences, how to make sentences in different forms: affirmative form, negative form, question form. If I study, I will pass my exams. If I don't study, I won't pass my exams. If I study, will I pass my exams? I want you to make some exercises. Task 1. Rewrite this exercise in your copybooks. Please look at these pictures and find the right answer. Ребята, если чисто не видно, вы можете найти в Гугле. The second task. Here you can choose 4 or 5 sentences which you have to write in the first conditional sentences. Thank you for your activeness. Then please take your homework. Your homework is watch this cartoon again and choose the first conditional sentences and write them in your copybook, please.
Hades is gonna kill us when he finds out what happened.
You mean if he finds out?
Of course he's gonna If. If is good. And you can't do a thing?
I can't, Hercules, but you can.
Really? What? I'll do anything.
Hercules, if you can prove yourself a true hero on Earth, your godhood will be restored.
A true hero. Great.
I'm too old to get mixed up in this stuff again.
But if I don't become a true hero, I'll never be able to rejoin my father, Zeus.
Hold it. Zeus is your father, right?
Uh-huh.
Zeus, the big guy. He's your daddy.
Look, I know what I did was wrong, but this isn't about me, it's about him. If you don't help him now, Phil, he'll die.
Hades is gonna kill us when he finds out what happened.
You mean if he finds out?
Of course he's gonna If. If is good. And you can't do a thing?
I can't, Hercules, but you can.
Really? What? I'll do anything.
Hercules, if you can prove yourself a true hero on Earth, your godhood will be restored.
A true hero. Great.
I'm too old to get mixed up in this stuff again.
But if I don't become a true hero, I'll never be able to rejoin my father, Zeus.
Hold it. Zeus is your father, right?
Uh-huh.
Zeus, the big guy. He's your daddy.
Look, I know what I did was wrong, but this isn't about me, it's about him. If you don't help him now, Phil, he'll die.
The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.